In chapter 4.2, we are studying the angles of triangles, and we are given the triangle angle sum theorem, which is a very powerful tool. And what does it say? It says that the sum of the measures of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So in this figure over here, we have measure of angle A plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle C is equal to 180 degrees. That's going to help us in solving quite a few of these triangle problems, and here's an example of one of them. We need to find angle T, and we're given R and S. So we can use the triangle angle sum theorem to say measure angle R plus measure angle S plus measure angle T is equal to 180 degrees. We don't know T, but we do know R and S, so we can substitute in, and we'll get 25 plus 35 plus measure angle T is equal to 180. We combine our like terms, and we'll get 60. Yeah, 60. We'll subtract 60 on both sides, and we'll get measure of angle T is equal to 120. And we're done. Let's go ahead and look at this one. We're trying to find the missing angles 1 and 2. Let's do it one at a time. And basically, it's the exact same problem as this, right? But actually, it's only one problem because we can see angle 1 and angle 2 are vertical angles, which means they're the same measure. So let's go ahead and check this out. We say measure angle A plus measure angle B plus measure angle 1 is equal to 180. We substitute in A and B as 58 plus 90 is equal to plus measure angle 1 is equal to 180. Combine our like terms, we get 148 plus measure angle 1 is equal to 180. Subtract the 148, and we get measure angle 1 is equal to 32. And that's also what measure angle 2 is equal to, right? So now to find measure angle 3, so I'm going to say here measure angle 2 is equal to 32 via vertical angles. And then we can use the same trick to find measure angle 3. So we could say measure angle 2 plus measure angle 3 plus measure angle E is equal to 180. We substitute in 32 plus 30. Ooh. Yeah, that's right. 32 plus measure angle 3 plus 108 is equal to 180. We're substituting in measure angle 2, which we know, and also measure angle E, which we're given via the figure. And then we combine our like terms, so we say measure angle 3 plus 140 is equal to 180. Subtract the 140 from both sides, and we get measure angle 3 is equal to 40, and we're finally done. So, yeah, that's how we're going to use the triangle angle sum theorem. And you're asked to find some angles down here. Of course, I'll show you the answers in the next video.